Alright, we are filming our phone that is recording from, is plugged into our goggles.
Okay, let's do this.
So I'm going to go over there. Alright, 16. Good. Oh, nice place over here. There's little trees. Are you seeing it? Or is my camera in the way?
It's fine. I can't see it. I can see it through the camera though.
Oh yeah, good.
Yep.
Alright. I should come from the other side, but let's see how this works.
Yep.
Straight
through. There you go.
Very nice. Here's another one. Is this a billboard on it?
That's a billboard.
That's
another shelter right there though. Same thing.
Okay, very good. Okay. Alright. That's going to destroy the audio with that incessant beeping because I have it on a key.
Yes, okay.
Alright, so tell me a move. Go through this again?
Mm-hmm. We're going to do a power loop.
Oh god.
Power loop. And then go back there. Oh, come on. You had that.
I'm not used to power loops with this. Oh, that's plenty of room. Slip through this trash can area. I love this quad. I should fly this more often. I'll get spoiled because when I go to a regular 5-inch, it won't act the same. Especially Caddx machine work, it feels a lot heavier. The only reason why I use a Caddx machine work because it can take a beating. Everybody swears on it, but
Come on. Come on. Oh, keep going, keep going, keep going. There you go. Thank you. Ah. God damn it, you little bastard. Get the hell out of here.
George, you're still flying?
yeah, 5 minutes and who's that over there?
That's the wastewater guy.
Okay,
that was here earlier.
Yeah, I said, oh, okay, that vehicle has somebody in it. Yeah, the way I fly, of course, is not really pushing things like I like to.
You can go over there and tap the door. I'll do it for you.
Yeah, 14.5, I'm coming in. Oh, look at that puddle there.
Yeah, don't land in the puddle. Jesus. It's like one puddle. Don't land into it.
I can make the.
Keep going. Keep going. Hold your throttle. Hold your throttle right there. Oh. That's one way to do it. That'll work.
Good, I saw it underneath. Okay, I think it's right there. Drop.
Drop.
At least it's on the map. Alright, so here is testimony of the being able to pipe out your feed from your goggles. Can you hold that and center me up? No smoke and mirrors going on here. We have our goggles piped out of here, right here. And it really helps the one behind the camera, my mentor, to guide me through all kinds of wonderful power moves and stuff like that.
There you go.
Very nice.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yep.